we can continue our conversation in that exit.
Yeah, we can talk casually like I if suppose I am your friend and hello everyone, welcome back to my another English video. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you a great technique which I used to do and still I do. So guys, that technique is called ChatGPT because the ChatGPT app is can drastic change in your English because if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any mentor, so ChatGPT can help you to improve your English. Why? Because if you want to ask anything about any particular topic, so ChatGPT give a best answer for you, and that can help you to improve your English and anything, any skills. So guys, that's why I want to share about ChatGPT, how to use this app and get fluency better in your English journey. So guys, earlier I used to talk with ChatGPT because I don't have any partner to talk, and earlier I was not as much confident as I can share my thought now. So that's why I used to use ChatGPT. So still I use, but now I inculcate some new habit to grow in English journey. But today I want to give you a live demo how to talk with ChatGPT. So guys, let's get started. So first I'll show you. You have to like as you can say pre-version of. I think this is not visible properly. I don't know why, but I am using this application. You can see now visible, I think. So you can click here, here, and then ChatGPT get started to talk with you. So guys, like as you can see, I start this app now, so I can talk with any topic. So let's see how's good. Now you can see on live how can ChatGPT help you to improve your English, because when we are our beginner level, so that time we are not confident to about like talking with someone else and with co-learners. So that's why I prefer to do conversation with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT can also help you to improve your English. So let's get started. And so nowadays I am feeling little bit under the weather, so ignore my voice because my voice is not clear because of my cup problem. Sorry. So let's get started. As you can see, hello ChatGPT.
Hello again. I'm Ace here for a chat. Just let me know what's on your plate.
Yeah, could you please talk me in Indian accent?
Of course, I'd be happy to. Just let me know what you'd like to talk about, and we can continue our conversation in that exit.
Yeah, we can talk casually like I if suppose I am your friend and I want to know about what you do and where are you going and all things which we talk in casually every day. So suppose I'm your friend, so let's get started. So hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing really well. Thank you. How about you? How's your day going so far? Anything interesting happening on your end?
Yeah, my day is going so far quite good, and so far I do so many work, and now I thought I should ask you what are you doing right now and what is your goal for today, and where or not.
That sounds like a pretty productive day. Right now, I'm just here chatting with you, which I love doing. As for my goal today, it's to help you with whatever you need and make sure you have a great conversation. And no plans to go anywhere, so I'm all yours.
Okay, so these days I'm learning English. So which all topic I should clear, and then I should start talk with anyone. Please give me some suggestion.
Absolutely. To get more comfortable speaking, you can focus on topics like daily conversations, common phrases, and vocabulary related to your interests. Also, practicing tenses and a bit of grammar can help a lot. And of course, the more you practice, the more
Okay, thank you for suggestion, and I will definitely work upon this topic, and that can help me to improve my English. And thank you for helping me always. See, right now I'm talking with ChatGPT. So earlier I used to do practice with ChatGPT every day when I get time. So that helped me to improve my English little bit here and there. Whenever I want to search any topic and I come across new word every day. So I that time I search on ChatGPT, and that ChatGPT give me a very explanation topic about every word. So that's why I can say ChatGPT has helped me a lot. So today I want to share with you all. If you are beginner and if you want to improve your English, and if you don't have enough knowledge about English, and if you don't comfortable with any co-learners and person to person, so you can talk with ChatGPT, and which topic is come in your mind, so you can talk about this topic, and you can talk casually like me. So guys, I want to share with you, if you want to improve your English, so ChatGPT can help you. So I used to do everyday talk with ChatGPT, but now I have some other work, so I don't get much time. But I never skip my English journey, and I prefer to do everyday practice in English, so that can help me to improve my English communication skills. So guys, if this video going to help somewhere, so please do like, share, comment, subscribe my channel for more. And I think this is enough for today. So personally I use this technique, so that's why I want to share with you guys. So I come with a new topic soon, and till then, bye bye, and please do like, share, comment, subscribe for more. And if I do any mistake here and there, so guys, as I said many video in my earlier, I'm also learner and I'm not fluent at, and I can say myself I am very fluent in this language, and I am a professional speaker. I'm just learner, and that's why I make my video, and why I'm prepared to make my video, because of my English journey, and it can help me to improve my English. Because if I focus to make my video, so I just do my practice as well. So guys, that's all. And if this video is going to help you, so please guys, keep watch it and till the end, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.